What's going on? Blue Dooley at an antique truck show up here behind the Flying J in Jerome, Idaho. Behind me is a gorgeous Mack. It's a 54. There's a lot of good looking trucks out here. They're kind of hard to photograph because they just kind of parked them willy-nilly. Standing next to me, well, sitting next to me, is an old Diamond T. Not sure of the year at this exact second. I'll look what it is and put a comment down there, tell you what year it is. But there's also some antique tractors. We'll show you those. Come along. Got a 1946 Buick pickup. Next hit, a 56 Ford. And then another 56 Ford. Boy, that's a good looking truck. Both of them are. I'd have to say the blue one's my favorite though because it's blue. 1955 K-Dub. And a 61 55 Diamond T. Boy, they just don't make trucks that look like that anymore.
Hello, somebody called me from Connecticut. I wonder if they Bernadette.
1953 Peterbilt. 280. I bet you I couldn't even drive that truck, I'm so tall. They did have some antique tractor pulls set up. This is the only tractor I managed to film. We didn't spend a whole lot of time out here at the event. We had a few other things we needed to get done today, so I kind of ran through everything a little fast. The tractor here did appear to make a full pull. Their setup times were a little slow, and of course, since these are older machines, it's not like they really threw down the track like a modern tractor puller. My biggest disappointment, though, was when I went to talk to some people about the tractors or a couple of the trucks. They weren't very chatty about them. I asked about the year and model of the Mack and only got the year, and then they just went back to talking to themselves. That was it. So that was kind of a disappointment. The layout of the event was a little bit of a disappointment. It was kind of hard to get around and see everything because it was just kind of, set up wherever you happen to want to, and it doesn't matter who's next to you. (1928) case, Model K. Here we got a Hubber. And some really nice looking Fords. Flathead V8. Really kind of dig this one. It's a great looking machine. And of course, it wouldn't be an antique tractor show without some John Deeres. An old Oliver. The Oliver Corporation. Not sure what years these are. Not sure what the trailer is, but a 1954 Massey Harris Mustang. This is a 1937 Mack Truck. I didn't get any more information about it, but It looks beautifully restored. It looks in really good condition. And I am kind of disappointed that the gentleman didn't want to talk about the truck further. There's also a really nice international pickup truck here. Since they didn't want to talk about the Mack, I didn't even ask them about this truck and just carried on. A lot of manufacturers in attendance. Of course, there's 2 Peterbilts here and a Mack cab over. A lot of Peterbilts, a lot of Kenworths like this one. This one's a 1970 and the trailer is also a 1970, I believe is what the sticker said. Several internationals, of course. This was one of the nicer looking ones. There were some older ones there too. Sitting next to it is a 1948 auto car, and the Kenworth next to that, I believe, was also late 40s, early 50s. My favorite truck, though, the 1922 chain drive Mack, sitting next to a 2020 Mack Anthem. Hope everyone had a good weekend, and we'll catch you later.